All right, good morning and good day from Dallas. Let's go ahead and speed this up. Okay, so we are at the Para Museum of Health and Science, something like that. So I have to go back. I actually left the camera on the car seat, which is a very bad thing. And people here are pretty friendly. I mean, everyone stops for me for walking and everything that I do. So I'm just very glad to be in Dallas. Again, like I said, this whole trip was not planned, but we always try to make the best of it. We're actually staying in the Irving area, which is kind of like in between Dallas, Fort Worth, a little more west of Dallas. We've been driving into downtown pretty much the last 2 days since we got here, so it's cool. Like, check this out. There's so many things for the kids. Like, I wanted to come here yesterday, but look, they're other strollers. They're like over there. I don't know if you can see them, but it's okay. Also, woo! So the kids also got a hold of one of our SD cards at the hotel room, and they misplaced it. So good. Thankfully, I got all that information, all the pictures and videos out of that. So we'll be fine, but just can't find it. All right, let's go. We're gonna go see the dinosaurs now. Oh no, it's locked. So after this, let's go look at this here. No, look, that's dinosaur poop.
Yeah.
It's paleo poo. Yeah, it's poo. That's from a. Oh, you, the poop. Follow me. Really heart shaped. That's crazy. Yay, we made it in. No, you're gonna drop it. Don't drop it. Wait, there's like. Oh no. Ah, save us. I was gonna pick it up to throw in the trash, and there's a trash can right here. All right, made it. We're going to the fourth floor, and then work our way down. That's where the dinosaurs are at. So that's pretty much what we're here for, just the dinosaurs. Ooh. All right.
Let's go.
Look at Bronchiosaurus, Mila. What's it called?
Bronchiosaurus.
Huh?
Bronchiosaurus.
Bronchiosaurus? Ah, look how big it is. Wow. What is this called right here? What is this called? You don't know? I don't know for sure. I just know it's a mosasaur. Man, look at this fossils, though. What is that? Hey, look, is that a T-Rex head? Wow. Wow. See those animals? Bronchiosaurus. Guys, I'm flying. Like, the more I lean, the more I'm batting my wings. Oh no, oh crap, no. Oh, I died. Well, that was fun. So, it's pretty cool. Let's focus in on here. Okay, so we thought there was not a Triceratops. Mila loves the Bronchiosaurus and the T-Rex, and also Triceratops, but she just calls it tops. And I found it. It's just the head though, but check it out. You saw Brachiosaurus head? Look. Brachiosaurus. You saw tops? There's tops downstairs. You wanna see tops?
Let's finish looking at the
Yeah, let's finish up here and then
I'm gonna go see the
Alright, we're done with the dinosaurs and all that, and we did see some of the Triceratops. They didn't have an actual Triceratops, but some other dinosaurs within that family group. But we're in that little section where that little like slanted part is at from the museum, and I have been to the Clyde Warren Park, which is over there, a couple of times, and I had always seen this museum. It's probably my 4th time in Dallas, so I thought it was really cool. But sorry, baby, sorry. So not a lot of dinosaurs, but some really cool stuff indeed that from what I remember back in Houston, they didn't have. You wanna try earthquake, Noe? You wanna try earthquake?
Trying to run around your house?
Oh man. You wanna try it, Mila? You wanna try it? You do? Oh man. Earthquake. are
No
amazing.
big one.
No big one?
A big one.
Alright, Mila had enough of that, so here's the other one. Oh, it's an earthquake! Earthquake! This what the tornado! Look! Goes all the way down. Isn't this interesting? The iron in our bloods was formed in stars billions of years ago, trillions of miles away. So, am I a star? Turn it, turn it. You're gonna open it. Go, 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 go. Wow. Come on.
Come on, hurry.
Like my favorite things to look at in a museum, the gems. Obviously, that's not that interesting for the kids. I turn the UV light on, and there's this. So cool. Alright, we gotta go. The kids are. So, there comes a time where you kind of have to just make that decision that it's time to go. You just, when you're a parent, you just kind of know when that time is. Not because they're just being bad, but you know that they're pretty much done for the day, and that's right now. Oh, so cool. That is an interesting plant, and it goes like up there, behind it, behind the lion. Like, what is that? All right, but like we said, we're done for the day, guys.
I go.
Let's go home. Go! The cheetah beat you! Hurry, hurry! Oh!
Please exit through the gate.
Go, 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 go! Oh, man. Oh.
Please exit through
Oh,
the gate.
dude. That's funny. I want to race.
Go.
Oh, man. Yeah, you just come out there. You got it. Yeah. Alright, now you figured it out. You're almost there. Noe and Ashley are like over there. Let's go on the slide. No, that's the stairs to get in. Let's go on this slide. What is up, everybody? So, hey kids, say hello. So, this is our last day in Dallas, I believe. Yes, the last day in Dallas. Look, my new cameraman. You a cameraman? You're gonna be the cameraman from now on the vlogs, okay? Yeah, Iron Man. Alright, so we are going to the aquarium today, and we're gonna make the best out of this day. We had a great time so far here in Dallas. Okay, and so we decided the aquarium that we decided to go to was this the children's aquarium at Fair Park, and it's pretty cool. Second time here. We came back for when we did the Camp Jeep thing. He was around here as well, and last time I also saw that building over there, a little like tower thing. I don't know if you could get up there. Anyone knows, please let me know. And then that's the Texas Star, which, by the way, they hold the the Texas State Fair here, which we're looking forward to come to as well. This looks like a salmon mix, but they're gillet trouts. And then we have this alligator gar. Very cool looking fish. Alright, what else do we have? Woo! Look, more gars. Trinity River. So you can find. Oh, what's this? That was cool. Piranhas. But it's really cool. We gotta catch up with the kids and just get so busy reading all this stuff. Hey, turtle. So guys, remember that these species is valuable and vulnerable, so it is a vulnerable or endangered species. So. Also, I've been asking around, and one of our friends did let me know of something, so I'm excited. Like, that's something I've always wanted to do, just become very involved in wildlife conservation, environment conservation, just protecting the environment, teaching our kids and become involved. And as you guys can see here, this one is hurt. One of his legs is hurt, and so is his arm. So it's here trying to recover. Octopus tentacles. It's funny. Yeah. Some really cool stuff around here. Oh, so hold on. Let me go show you guys something back over here. Oh crap! This one came up. Whoa. Smaller sharks. The thing is, this huge Queensland grouper. So they could grow up to like 10 feet. And you have the reef, white tip reef sharks. Hey, what are those? Oh, it's actually swimming. So, so the Houston Zoo, I don't know about the Houston Aquarium, but the Houston Zoo doesn't have a lot of sharks, so it's very exciting to see these. Maybe I believe the Houston Aquarium does, but we haven't been there yet, so we're gonna make sure we head out there pretty soon. And the Moody Gardens, but that's close to like Galveston. But this nurse shark, they're moving a little bit. They may be shy when there's people. I don't know. So, yeah. Hey, where does one go? Oh, it's right here. Alright, let's get it. Huh. Oh, okay. Huh. Look guys, a zebra shark. Shark right there. That's so cool. There's like a black tip shark. I don't know what else this is. It's pretty cool. Let's go. Wow, zebra shark. That's a zebra shark. Mila, get over here. Look, zebra shark. Wow. Wow. And I have another turtle. Oh, where'd it go?
It's under here.
Alright, camera's gonna die soon. So. Alright, so camera's gonna die soon. It died pretty fast and I didn't charge it, so look. Yeah, all these black tip and zebra sharks. So cool, man. Nice. Guess they want us to feed him, or look at these. I don't know what kind of rays these are, but pretty cool. Alright, let's see if we can feed them or something. And these rays are pretty cool. Why are you crying?
They didn't bite you, liar. Oh, they splashed water in it.
They splashed you? Oh. Look right here. Whew. That's cool. Alright, so this is our packing situation. It's crazy, and I'm gonna get on top of that one day. I'm gonna figure it out.